Hi, how was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Did you talk to the kids?
Yes, they are doing well.
What did they say?
They had fun at school.
That's great to hear.
Yes, they love their teachers.
What about their homework?
They finished it after dinner.
Good job. I'm proud of them.
Me too. They work hard.
Are they ready for the weekend?
Yes, they want to play outside.
We should plan a picnic.
That sounds like a fun idea.
Where should we go?
How about the park nearby?
Yes, the park is perfect.
We can take sandwiches and drinks.
I can make the sandwiches.
Great. I will pack the drinks.
What time should we leave?
Let's leave after breakfast.
Sounds good. What about the dog?
We can take him too.
He will love the park.
Yes, he enjoys running around.
Should we invite any friends?
Yes, let's invite Sarah and Tom.
Good idea. They have kids too.
I will call them later.
What else do we need?
We need a blanket for sitting.
I have a big one in the car.
Perfect. We're all set.
I can also bring some games.
That will be fun for everyone.
Do you think it will rain?
The weather looks good today.
Do you think it will rain?
The weather looks good today.
I hope it stays nice.
Me too. We need sunshine.
What about dinner tonight?
I was thinking of pasta.
That sounds delicious.
Do you want to help cook?
Sure. I can chop the vegetables.
Great. I will boil the pasta.
What else do we need?
We need some sauce and cheese.
I'll check the fridge now.
Let me know if we need anything.
We have everything we need.
Perfect. Dinner will be ready soon.
What about dessert?
We can have ice cream later.
Ice cream sounds wonderful.
The kids will love it.
Yes, they always ask for it.
Should we watch a movie tonight?
That's a great idea.
What movie do you want?
Maybe a family comedy?
I like that. It will be fun.
I will find a good one.
Let's make popcorn too.
Yes, popcorn is a must.
I love family movie nights.
Me too. They are special times.
We should do this more often.
Yes, let's make it a tradition.
I like that idea.
Family time is very important.
Yes, it brings us closer together.
I am grateful for our family.
Me too. We are very lucky.
Let's enjoy our evening together.
Yes, let's make it memorable.
I love you so much.
I love you too, always.
Now, let's start cooking dinner.
Yes, let's get to work.
Family life is the best life.
I couldn't agree more.